I know how stressful meal times can be when you're dealing with a picky eater. I had an extreme picky eater who was satiated on a few Cheerios, and it drove me crazy not knowing if she was getting enough nutrition to really grow and thrive. I wish I knew then what I know now, that there is a much better solution to address our child's eating behavior at the table. Hi, I'm Danielle Binns, a pediatric nutritionist and a picky eating expert with certifications in children's feeding as well as holistic nutrition. I am also, and more importantly, a mother of two who was in your shoes not long ago. I help mothers around the globe today with their child's pickiness and providing them solutions that really do work. If you're interested in picking up a ton of tips around your child's pickiness, leave your email address below and we will send you a few freebies in the coming weeks. I hope to see you soon.